Jai Gurudev. In our previous video, we have seen The Best Christmas Present in the World, written by Michael Morpurgo. That day we have seen the narrator of the story went to a junk shop. He purchased a roll-top desk, which was in bad condition. The narrator started its repairing on Christmas Eve and found a letter in its drawer. He read that letter. He know he should not have to read out, but his attraction of that letter was much, and for that, because of curiosity, he started to read it. It was from Jim McPherson to his wife Connie, as written on top. After reading a letter, he found that Jim McPherson was the leader of English army, and he described that England and Germany were engaged in war. But on Christmas Day, one beautiful incident it happened. First, the German wishes Happy Christmas to English soldier, and same response was given by the English also. The leaders share their ideas, feelings with each other and celebrated Christmas by eating, laughing and talking. After that, they played football match in which Germans won. In the night, both troops sang choral and had a peaceful Christmas. The author decided to give this letter to Mrs. Coney back. So he went to the address which was written on the letter of envelope, where he found that an accidental fire caught in the house and she was in nursing home. He rushed to the nursing home where he found Jim's wife, as she was growing too old. In the waiting to her husband, she mistook the author by understanding him as Jim, her husband. When narrator met her, she declared that him as best Christmas present in the world. We will see the same story in pictorial way. This story is about a beautiful incident that took place during First World War. The author went to the junk shop in Bridport, UK, and brought a roll-top desk. The desk was in bad condition, but the author thought he would be able to repair it. On Christmas Eve, he began to work on it by removing the roll top and pulling drawers. He found a secret drawer with a small black tin box. The box had a note tapped on it. The note instructed the finder to bury it with the owner of the desk when time comes. When the author opened the box, he found an envelope addressed to Mrs. Jim McPherson of 12th Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. The enclosed letter was dated December 26, 1914. The author read the letter. It was written by Jim McPherson, a captain of English Army, to his wife Connie. In the letter, Jim narrated a beautiful incident that took place on the battlefield on the Christmas Day in 1914. The English-German army were there in respective trenches. Suddenly, Jim saw someone from the German side waving a white flag. He watched a few German soldiers approach to wish the English soldier to Happy Christmas. The English soldier replied in kind. Suddenly, several unarmed German soldiers began walking crossing the no man's land or neutral territory carrying the German alcohol and sausages. Soldiers from both armies began shaking hands and wishing each other. A German officer named Hans Wolf shook hand with Jim McPherson. They introduced themselves, shared rum, cake, books, and talked about their families. Then the soldiers played football, while the officers cheered and clapped. When the food and drink was over, the two sides wished each other well and hoped the war would end soon. Then they returned to their trenches. McPherson ended the letter, confident that the war would end soon and he and Coney would be reunited. After reading the letter, the author decided to locate Mrs. McPherson and return the letter. So, he drove to Bridport, Dorset the next morning. He found that the house had burned down and learned that Mrs. McPherson lived in nursing home. When he reached nursing home, the matron told him that Mrs. McPherson was in confused state but would be happy to have a visitor on Christmas Day. When the author met Mrs. McPherson, he called her Coney and gave her the letter. She mistook the author for Jim and thought Jim had kept his promise and returned on Christmas Day. She said she received the best Christmas present in the world. So, you have to write this all word meaning in the copy. So, moral of the lesson. War and fight only brings sadness and humiliation all around the world. One should generally follow the path of peace for attaining happiness in the world. SCR principle, harmony exists in diversity. Now your homework, all word meaning you have to write in copy. Second, you have to search this extract, page number 12. Questions I am going to read. Who was it that smiled? How did he know Dorset? Who is Connie? Find a phrase in the passage which means so happened. Third, write pictorial story which we have seen in the copy.